Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, you've done your big motor, you've got all your big Baker tranny in between you've got a weak point. The original clutch basket's cheap die-cast rubbish, you know, really shitty quality metal. This is an Evolution Industries EV10064639, no less, which is 84 to 89 big twin. This is actually going to go in my 1988 Evo FXRT. Okay, the weight of this you won't believe compared to the stock. You know, stock's die-cast crap, proper billet CNC hardened clutch basket, so no matter what you do, you can really give it some stick. You know, you ain't going to bend this or scratch this at all. But the bearing, I'll be honest with you, not impressed with it being a Chinese bearing. I'm amazed at that. So that will be coming out in a proper American or European bearing being put in. Just don't trust anything from China personally. Okay, so this one's 84 to 89. We also do 90 to 93. Perfect for your FXR riders or people who want a bit of stick the baggers heavy duty bikes. But the weight of this is unbelievable compared to a stock thing. You know, this is all billet hardens. They say billet alloy. I'm beginning to wonder if it's ain't billet steel. It's that bloody heavy. But it's a very, very well made thing compared to the stock, that's for sure. Going to put massive horsepower through this thing. If you're interested, give us a call. Any upgrades, any bikes, mainly twin cam and Evo will do. Personally prefer the Evos any day of the week. We do big S&S motors, we do Bakers, you know, we do Carlini supports. We do pretty well anything if you want to get some serious performance, even turbos and nitrous kits. 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.